crees que el español es fácil? Hi everyone, the word of the day is fácil. Fácil. This means easy. Fácil works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is fáciles. Fáciles. Now, let's see a few examples. El español es fácil. El español es fácil. Algunos problemas son fáciles de solucionar. Algunos problemas son fáciles de solucionar. Esas palabras son fáciles de pronunciar. Esas palabras son fáciles de pronunciar. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to leave more examples down below. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!